Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, as you know, for the past 2 days we have been talking about past tense and especially past simple tense. As you know, we discussed certain actions and conditions in past simple tense, like some actions or activities that took place in the past, some activities, certain actions that happened or took place in the past, and they have no connectivity with the present. Okay, then we talked about past habit. Okay, by using second form of the verb we can express are or somebody past habit. Then we talked about certain phrases like it is time, it is high time, it is about time. Okay, these phrases always take the second form of the verb, and that is past simple tense. Alright, then we talked about suppositional sentences. Suppositional sentences means we are just supposing, we are just imagining. So it is simply past imagination, and we are considering and thinking and talking about such actions that did not take place in the past. We are simply imagining. Okay, अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता, ऐसा होता तो ऐसा करता, like this. Alright, and that was not, and that is not possible right now. Then we talked about certain actions, two and more than two actions that completed or that took place at the same time in the past. Then we'll use for such actions second form of the verb. Alright, students. So far we talked about all these sentences, all these conditions, and we use second form of the verb. Alright, second form of the verb, that is past simple tense. Alright, today we are going to talk about negative sentences, means something not took place in the past. Okay, something not happened in the past, something not occurred in the past. Alright, suppose I taught you yesterday, कल मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, लेकिन कल मैंने आपको नहीं पढ़ाया. Yesterday it was a gazetted holiday, so मैंने क्लास नहीं ली थी. So अगर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कल मैंने वीडियो नहीं बनाया था, तो how can say? कल मैंने आपको नहीं पढ़ाया, so how will I say? Alright, so ऐसे negative sentence को how can you write or speak, or how can you express? That we are going to learn today. So let's have a look and let's get started. See the sentence past simple tense. I attended the class yesterday. Yesterday हमारा टाइम वर्ड आ गया. ओके, yesterday adverbial टाइम और बीते हुए कल की बात कर रहा है. So we use past simple tense. So past simple tense means second form of the verb. This is the second form of the verb. I attended the class yesterday. मैंने कल क्लास अटेंड की थी. Got it? Next, we enjoyed the party last night. पिछली रात, लास्ट नाइट, लास्ट वीक, लास्ट मंथ, लास्ट ईयर. जब भी आएगा वी यूज पास्ट सिंपल टेंस. पास्ट सिंपल टेंस मीन्स सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वी एंजॉयड, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. देन यू डिस्टर्ब द क्लास. तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब की, कल की, परसों की. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर क्लास व्हेन यू डिस्टर्ब द क्लास. ऑलराइट, सो ये भी वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म हो गई. They won the match. वो मैच जीत गए, उन्होंने मैच जीता. ओके, समथिंग हैपन, क्या हुआ, मैच जीता. सेकंड फॉर्म, विन, वन, वन, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ऑलराइट, ही प्लेड वेल, वो बहुत अच्छा खेला. ही प्लेड वेल, वो अच्छा खेला. प्ले, प्लेड, सेकंड फॉर्म. शी मेड टी, उसने चाय बनाई. मेक, मेड, मेड, सेकंड फॉर्म. Ram helped us. राम ने हमारी हेल्प की. So see, these are the things or actions that took place in the past. ये वो सारी एक्टिविटीज और एक्शंस है that happened, that took place in the past, जो कभी न कभी पास्ट में हुई है. कल हुई, परसों हुई, बट ये हुआ. सपोज यही बात है, I attended the class yesterday, लेकिन मैं कहूँ कि मैंने कल क्लास अटेंड नहीं की. So how can I say? See here we have used second form. When I taught you present simple tense, okay, while teaching you present simple tense, I told you how to frame negative sentences in present simple tense. In present simple tense, we use do not or does not. Got it? For negative sentences, alright. Here, what will we use? Here we will use did not. Yes, D-I-D. I did not. Negative. आई अटेंडेड द क्लास, मैंने क्लास अटेंड की, मैंने क्लास अटेंड नहीं की और नहीं की थी तो आई डिड नॉट। ऑलराइट, अब क्या लिखोगे? अटेंडेड? नो, you will write only attained. I did not attend the class yesterday. मैंने कल क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी। डिड नॉट एंड अटेंड यहाँ पे हो गई है हमारे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म। ऑलराइट, सो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में वी विल यूज डिड नॉट प्लस first form of the verb. Got it? Why? See, this did is the second form of do. Do, did, done. Alright? So here did we are using. This is already second form of the verb. So did is not followed by again second form of the verb. Now we will use the first form of the verb. Alright? So did not first form of the verb. It is past simple tense only. And if you have simply second form of the verb, that's past simple tense. But in negative, did not and verb first form. Never ever use second form of the verb after did or did not. Why? Because did automatically makes the verb past tense. Okay, is it clear? We enjoyed the party last night. हमने last night party enjoy की, लेकिन party enjoy नहीं की हमने, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो we did not enjoy सेकेंड फॉर्म में हमें फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिखनी है। we did not enjoy the party last night. did not and first form of the verb. Got it? हमने पार्टी enjoy नहीं की, कुछ मज़ा नहीं आया। You disturb the class, तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब की या की थी? तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब नहीं की थी, so you did not. ऑलराइट, डिस्टर्ब सेकेंड फॉर्म है, हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे इधर डिस्टर्ब। You did not disturb the class. Got it? Did not first form, did not first form, did not first form. They won the match. वे लोग मैच जीत गए थे, जीते, उन्होंने मैच जीता, उन्होंने मैच नहीं जीता, तो they did not. वन सेकेंड फॉर्म है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म होता है win. They did not win the match. Got it? Then he played well. वो अच्छा खेला, वो अच्छा नहीं खेला, तो he did not play well. Got it? Then she made tea. उसने चाय बनाई, उसने चाय नहीं बनाई, तो she did not. Made second form है, first form make. She did not make tea. राम helped us. राम ने हेल्प की, राम ने हेल्प नहीं की, तो राम did not help us. Got it? So we have used here did. So in present simple tense, in negative sentences we use do not or does not. But here we will use did not first form of the verb with all the nouns, whether noun is first person or second person or third person, or whether noun is singular or plural. Same case when positive sentence we use second form of the verb with all the nouns irrespective of their person and number. Similarly for negative sentences we will use did not plus first form of the verb irrespective of nouns or subject, number और person. सब्जेक्ट हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन हो, सेकंड पर्सन हो या थर्ड पर्सन हो या फिर सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल हो, वी विल ऑलवेज यूज डिड नॉट वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, वेयर इज इन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेज वी विल ऑलवेज यूज द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. गॉट इट? प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में क्या पढ़ा था? फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल के साथ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेज में वी यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस लगाया था. सिमिलरली नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में हमने यूज किया था डू नॉट, किसके साथ? फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, और सिंगुलर थर्ड पर्सन के साथ हमने डज नॉट और V1 लगाया था. ऑलराइट, बट हियर द केस इज वी हैव टू यूज द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब with all the nouns, alright, irrespective of their number and person, and we have to use did not and first form of the verb with all the noun irrespective of their number and person. Got it? Is it clear? Alright. So now let's talk about interrogative sentences. Now how to frame interrogative sentences. I did not attend the class yesterday. मैंने कल class attend नहीं की. Alright. We did not enjoy the party. हमने party enjoy नहीं की. Alright. क्या हमने party enjoy की? क्या हमने party enjoy की? That is a question. Okay. So ऐसे question के लिए we have to use helping verb at the first, and here did is a helping verb. Did we enjoy the party last night? Question mark. Did we enjoy the party last night? क्या हमने पार्टी enjoy की? Did we not enjoy the party last night? क्या हमने पार्टी enjoy नहीं की? Whether there is not or not. Did we enjoy the party? Yes or no? Did we not enjoy the party? Yes or no? Alright. So whenever a question can be answered in yes or no, the question is framed with helping verb. Alright. Since did is our helping verb for past tense, the same did we will use before the subject. Did we not enjoy the party? Similarly, क्या मैंने कल क्लास अटेंड नहीं की? Did I attend the class? Did I attend the class yesterday? क्या मैंने कल क्लास अटेंड की थी? Did I not attend the class yesterday? क्या मैंने कल क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी? Got it? Say you did not disturb the class. Did you disturb the class? Did you disturb the class? क्या तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब की थी? Did you not disturb the class? क्या तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब नहीं की थी? Got it? They did not win the match. Did they win the match? क्या वो मैच जीते? क्या मैच जीते थे? Did they not win the match? क्या वो मैच नहीं जीते? He did not play well. Did he play well? क्या वह अच्छा खेला था या खेला? Did he not play well? क्या वह अच्छा नहीं खेला था? Did she not make tea? Did she make tea? क्या उसने चाय बनाई थी? और did she not make tea? क्या उसने चाय नहीं बनाई? Alright. So what you have used here for interrogative sentences? Did. Okay. Or interrogative plus negative you use did not plus first form of the verb. Did plus first form of the verb. Alright. Or in contracted form you can simply write did. Alright. So this is the way. Interrogative question कैसे फ्रेम करना है? Did helping verb आगे यूज कर लेना है. Alright. और इंटरोगेटिव के साथ नेगेटिव भी है. So you will use did first, then subject, and just after subject you have to use not. Did you not? लेकिन अगर did not को साथ में यूज करना है तो at the first you can didn't आएगा. क्या आएगा? Did और not को साथ में लिखेंगे से didn't. Did I attend the class? Okay. Did we enjoy the party last night? Like this. Alright, students. So this is the way how to frame interrogative sentences as well as negative sentences. For negative sentence we have to use did not or verb first form. For interrogative the same did we have to use at the first, then subject and verb first form as usual. So see how can you recognize past simple tense in a sentence? If there is second form of the verb, that is past simple tense. If there is did and verb first form, that is past simple tense. If there is did not and verb first form, past simple tense. If question starts with did, past simple tense. Okay. So these way you can recognize the tense. Alright, got it? So here in this tense we talked about actions took place in the past, actions, activities happened in the past and they have no relationship with the present. Then we talked about our past habit, जो भी habits हमारे पुरानी थी जो अब नहीं है. To express such past habits, we use second form of the verb. Alright. Then we talked about certain phrases like it is time, it is high time, it is about time. These phrases always take the second form of the verb. Okay, and these phrases talk about the urgency of action. That something needs to be done right now without wasting any time. कोई चीज करनी है अभी टाइम right time है ripen time and we must do that. All right. If you are not doing means you are getting late. All right. Then we talked about suppositional sentences. Suppositional sentences क्या होते हैं मैंने आप लोग को ऑलरेडी बता दिया जिसमें we just do supposition, we just suppose, we just imagine. All right. और वहाँ पे हमारे words आते हैं like if, as if, as though, if only, I wish, he wishes, she wishes, you wish, like this. All right. ये हमने यूज किए थे. Then we talked about two and more than two sentences that took place at the same time in the past. Then we use in all those sentences, all those actions, second form, like this. Alright. Today we talked about negative sentences, how to frame negative sentence by using did not and verb first form. We use negative sentence. How to use interrogative sentences by using did and first before the subject. Okay, we frame interrogative sentences. Dear students, so this is the basic concept and this is the basic structure of past simple tense that we covered. Alright, so you just do revision, okay, and get your concepts clearer, alright, and have more and more practice. Tomorrow we shall have practice exercise based on this past simple tense, okay, and this exercise deal with positive sentences, negative sentences, as well as interrogative sentences as well. Alright, see one more thing here. Did I not attend the class? Alright, did we enjoy party? Did you disturb the class? क्या आपने क्लास डिस्टर्ब की? सपोज आई आस्क तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब क्यों की? क्यों की? Why? So you will have to give a reason. क्यों की तुम? Why? Why did you disturb the class? तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब क्यों की? तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब क्यों नहीं की? करनी थी क्लास डिस्टर्ब. So why did you not disturb the class? तुमने क्लास डिस्टर्ब कैसे की? हंसे या किसी को चिमटी काट दी, किसी को गुदगुदाया, चिल्लाए, क्या किया? क्लास डिस्टर्ब कैसे की? How did you disturb the class? क्लास कब डिस्टर्ब की थी? When did you disturb the class? क्लास कहाँ डिस्टर्ब की थी? Where did you disturb the class? So did से पहले आपको ये वर्ड डब्ल्यू वर्ड यूज करने हैं. Why, how, when, where, what. Alright, got it? See, did they win the match? How did they win the match? वो मैच कैसे जीत गए? उनकी कंडीशन बहुत खराब थी. लास्ट ओवर्स में अच्छा खेल गए, क्रिकेट का मैच जीत गए. Alright. Did he play well? Why did he play well? वो अच्छा क्यों खेला? He was not expected to play well. Why did he not play well? वो अच्छा क्यों नहीं खेला? आज भी अच्छा खेलना था, फाइनल था. But these are also negative sentences, but all these interrogative negative sentences cannot be answered in yes or no. You will have to give a reason. Okay, so those questions which cannot be answered in yes or no, they start with WH words like what, when, where, how, where, etc. Alright, but those questions that can be answered in yes or no, you have to simply use happy verb. Got it? So this is all about past simple tense, and tomorrow we shall have exercise based on this tense. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video. Goodbye.